No intro, no outro, straight fire. So let's go ahead, do this weekly recap of the DXY, and then go ahead and wrap it up. So it is 2:48 Central Time, so that means it's 3:48 EST, Eastern Standard Time. So roughly 2 more hours before the market close. I don't did what I needed to do for the week, so I'm good. I'm satisfied. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, God. Praise Jesus. Thank you. All that good thing. So coming into Tuesdays, because again, you've been following me, I only trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays into Fridays. Uh, you know, the DXY was taking out a lot of buy side liquidity, which was like clear indication for me that price was going to come sell off. And I was just pretty much just waiting for all my confluences to line up. So confluence number one, price closed, took out buy side liquidity twice. And then my confluence number two, price closed below the point of control. I only trade off of two confluences. That's all I need before I go ahead and I pull the trigger. So again, if the DXY is selling, UCAD, USD CHF, USD JPY is selling, AU, EU, GU, NU is buying. All right, so let's just go into some trade recaps right quick. So AUD USD finally turning up for me. Finally in profit. All day yesterday I was in drawdown, and also most of today I was also in drawdown. Gonna hold this throughout the weekend. It looks as though price wants to close above the point of control, which is like a good indicator for me. And the indication is pretty much that price wants to continue up next week. But again, we gotta trade what we see, not what we speculate. So I'm just gonna hold this. If it hits me out, it is what it is. If it doesn't, and price decides that it wants to, reverse, then that's cool too. But I'm holding my guns with this one. EUR USD price stopped me out really early in the week. Stopped me out on Tuesday. Again, it is what it is. I had a lot of sell side liquidity sweeps being taken out, which is my clear indicator in confluence with the DXY that price wanted to go up. The only difference is sell side liquidity was only taken out once before price closed above the POC. Not as clean as the DXY, why I had sell side liquidity taken out twice, just one time. But needless to say, price did what I intended it to do. I just got in early. Great British Pound USD, same thing as EU. None of my trades entered me in or executed because price did not pull back far enough for my entry on Thursday, for my entry on Wednesday, and then for this one I don't really count. I'm not looking to enter in because price already hit my target too. So for me, there is no point in really entering in for longs anymore because it hit my target too. So I'm just really waiting to see how Monday closes to start taking and looking at positions for Tuesday and the rest of next week. NZD USD price hit me out again. It just comes with the territory. Tuesday took out sell side liquidity. Wednesday took out some more sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity is just really being grabbed. I know this is going to do a clean, smooth rally up. But again, I got in a little bit early just based off of my confluences. I don't trace trades. I let trades come to me. So this is just a trade that I took an L on. It is what it is. All right, USD CAD currently in this trade right now. We up 74.9 pips. I took partials at take profit 1. So what I've been doing, I decided to scale up, risking 2% a trade, and then at take profit 1, I'm taking half the positions out. I'm taking 1%. Take profit 2, and I let the rest ride. It's what has been working for me, and I'm just going to keep it that way. My goal is to continue scaling up once I hit my money goals, my target profits for like my monetary goals. So I hit my monetary goal for my live accounts. So I was like, you know what? Since I hit my monetary goal, let's take it up a notch. So I know my method works. I know it is a proven method. So instead of risking 1%, I was just like, screw it. Let's risk 2%. Once I get to my next monetary goal that I have set for myself, I'm a 3%, 4%, so on and so forth until, I'm dropping like a whole 10 lots like Q Banks. You feel me? And it's crazy because people don't think you can make money trading, you know, just major pairs. Yes, you can. You can make money trading major pairs. And if this can hit take profit for market close, that'll be awesome. But I don't think there's any news events that's going to really drive this down. USD CHF, again, my entry number 2 did not get hit. However, my entry number 1 did get hit. Again, same method applied. Took half of my position at take profit 1 and let the rest ride. USD JPY, I didn't even look at this pair this week because came Tuesday, like off rip, it was off my watch list just based off of the criteria. So that's pretty much it, man. No intro, no outro, straight fire. I'll see y'all on Tuesday. I know Tuesday is Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans out there. I'm active duty Army, so I get the hustle and bustle. But markets on Tuesday might be kind of weird, but we still gonna see in and see if we have any opportunities with the low volume. But yeah, have a great weekend. Don't forget to withdraw from your account. Do something nice for yourself. No intro, no outro, straight fire.